All right, so cool. So you might see if you're on your Zoom window, you might see that it says live on
Yep,
custom live streaming
Mhm.
service.
yep. And I see it live right now on YouTube side. There we go. Let me mute. Oh, I can't mute this one. Okay. Side. Oh, wow. There we go. Oh, let me.
Yeah, you have to mute your player page.
Well, I just turned on the volume on the YouTube side, and I hear myself talking too. So I'm going like, okay,
Yeah.
working.
Let me, I'll share the restream.
Okay. Oh, and then we should probably check Facebook.
It's not up on Facebook. I'm looking right now.
Right.
Mm.
It's still saying
Let
here.
me see. I don't think I added the key just yet. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Where do you see YouTube? Dick?
SAM,
Let me send you the link, Sejan.
Facebook Live.
Oh, I see now.
You see it?
I might need authentication. I don't know. Let me just recopy the Facebook thing. It might need authentication so that just not any wacko can stream to your page if they had the information. Let me go back. Where was that email? Oh man, I've got too much stuff.
Welcome to the world of having too many things, right?
Yeah. All right, so let's go back to your email and the Facebook. I guess I didn't have the full thing there. Copy. I guess that port is probably important.
Sejan, do you see the YouTube side? Just,
I
wanted,
do. I
you
do.
did? Okay, perfect. Okay.
What are you seeing right now? Just our names and audio?
Yeah, I just see your name.
Valid URL. RTM, let's see.
Just see your name.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're not sharing anything.
Hey Tom, I just noticed though, does this sometimes have a delay on the live stream?
I think it's just there is going to be somewhat of a delay. Just restreaming it, just natural through the internet. So I don't think we can avoid much of a, because you hear yourself a few seconds after you.
Right. When I just put the volume back up, I'm going, wait, I just said that like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah. There's going to be a little bit of a delay. Let me just see why I can't get the. Let me try adding a channel and Facebook groups and public pages, Facebook Live. No, that requires me to do it that way. Oh, I have the information. Edit settings. And that is definitely the stream key for Facebook, the one that you posted, right?
Yes.
Stream URL.
Wait, no, hang on. Sorry. Is it, you mean the one that I just sent you on the chat?
No. In the email.
Oh yeah, in the email. Yes, that's the
morning.
stream server URL.
Yeah. Just let's double check that. I'm trying to enter it in a couple. Oh, there we go. Unable. Is it connecting yet? Huh. So I'm having issues. I wonder if I need to, and this would suck because I don't want to take your username and password. I wonder if Facebook Live needs to restream, whether you need authentication, like the username and password. Restream to Facebook.
Well, so last year what we did is we gave Echo the whole login. They did it through that. So we have like a dummy account we set up to create the page.
Oh, okay.
That's how you guys did it last year.
And it was, we actually didn't do the, that was, I think that was at Encore. We did
Uh,
it last year. We were on site. I was next to the guys doing it. Yeah, so if you have a dummy account, let's try that before I try anything else.
Okay. So John, you want to give that to him?
Yep. So the login is social media at SAEM.org.
Social media at SAEM.org.
And then I just sent you the password.
Oh, okay. Zoom.
Now, would you need though? Well, actually, no. Tom, you can grab the URL and the key if you need to. Anyway, so.
Yeah, no, I mean, I mean, I'm basing it on your email address, but let's. Now, where did my chat window go? There we go. Social. There we go. Copy password. And let me just copy that one more time to make sure I'm copying it correctly. Paste, save. Hmm. SAM custom, still saying unable to connect. I wonder if you have to go live on your video for YouTube. Did you have to go live, Dan?
No.
No, it just automatically.
Actually, well, no. I'm sorry. It is going. It went live. Once you started. Once you started the streaming on YouTube.
Once I started rebroadcasting.
Right. I just had it set, and I have it set to private. But once you went live, that's when it just says right. It gave me the button to end the stream whenever I'm ready to finish it.
Yeah, let me log into the Facebook and play around and see what the deal is, because it's still saying unable to connect. I wonder if it has to be turned on. I can try. Well, let me try one more time now that I do have your credentials. So this is a group and public page, I assume, the Facebook Live.
Correct. Correct. Right, Steve-John?
Yeah.
I believe so, yes.
Yeah.
It's just a public page.
Yeah. All right, let me try it this way. See your name and profile picture and videos. Oops, sorry, text message. All right, let's see. On your streaming post on only me. So posts. So Restream.io would like to post content to your timeline on your behalf. Who can Restream.io streaming's posts? Only me. So for now, let's see if that. Oh, man. I don't want this program to give too much control to your Facebook. I'm going to turn off all the allowances and see what I can do here. Mhm. Schedule. Sorry, people are blowing me up. Okay, so we might need to set this up to go live right now. Only me. I'm going to create this as test. Okay, now how do I go live in Facebook? Go live now. Oh, I see. Once you start the preview of the broadcast, you have up to 5 hours to go live on Facebook. Let me copy that back into Huh, that's weird. Why is this having issues? Come on, where are you, Facebook? I wonder if we actually have to share something in here for it to hook up. Let me share just a whiteboard. Test. Do you see, Dan, do you see the whiteboard test on your screen? Okay, good.
And I see it as well on the YouTube side.
Okay, so it's hooking up to YouTube just fine. And I'm on the player page on Facebook and it says waiting for live video, and I have everything copied and put into place.
Is it like set to go live or no?
Sorry, what?
It's set to go live?
Yeah, well, the go live is gray right now because it's saying waiting for live video. So it needs to see the feed that obviously YouTube is getting. And my linking program Restream says that it's unable to connect to the Facebook. So let me just look up Restream to Facebook Live and see if there's anything that I'm missing out on. The RTMP. Oops. Oh, you know what? That might be the issue. I might need to down
Download a plugin?
down convert the video feed that it's sending. 30 frames, maximum bit rate, and H.264. Okay. All right, well, you can leave or come back on. I think I have all the information from you. And what I'll do is I'll keep on working on hooking this up. If you want to stay on, that's fine, but let me troubleshoot this and get this YouTube working. I don't want to take up too much of your all's time.
Sure.
But I think I should be able to. I've got all the information that I need from you all, and then once we have this up, we can do another. I can do another test. You can monitor if you feel like it, but or join back in. I'm going to keep this webinar up and running if you need to jump back in.
Okay. Well,
Totally.
I'll stay on as mute, and then whenever you have like an update, just put on the chat, and I'll come back into it.
Yeah, cool. That's fine by me. Fine by me.
I can do the same.
Cool.
All right, so we'll be on.
All right. Yeah, I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll mute myself so you don't hear me clicking and stuff.
All right. Thanks, Tom.
Let me see. Where's Zoom? Hello.
Hello.
So I think I figured it out, and I want to do another test. So it seems like Facebook Live has very specific stream and bitrate requirements. And to do that, what I need to do is enable the feature on Restream that allows me to re-encode the content coming in from Zoom and pushing that to Facebook, which is like kind of a minor cost, but it'll be a cost to us. But what I want to do first is just to make sure that I am connected properly to to the Facebook account before I do that, to make sure it's not another issue. And so what I'll do is I will hook up a test stream to Facebook directly from Restream. That's just like a screen share or webcam or something, to just make sure that connection is working properly. But I think that's what I have a feeling that's what the problem is, that's from looking at stuff, because the YouTube just works straight away without any problem. And I tried manually entering the the RTMP and stream key, and I tried linking it via API, and those things are just giving me the same thing. It's just on the black screen waiting for stream. So I have a feeling that the issue is the very specific bitrate requirements. But let me give that a shot. We can end this webinar and get back onto it later, but I have all the stuff, and I'll give this a shot and let you know, and we can always reconvene at some point down the road to double check. There is a couple things. There is, and this is with regards to you and how you guys will decide to do this. I noticed that for Facebook, you're either sharing to your own SAEM timeline or sharing to the page you manage. And the page that you guys have is your SAEM main page. I imagine that's probably where you want to have this shared to.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
All right. And when you do that, the settings in Facebook change a little bit, and it allows you to actually, on the timeline, you can set it to only for yourself to see, but in the live page, you can publish as a test broadcast, and then that can only be seen by admins or editors of your page. So that's exactly what we need. So I'm going to do that straight now, just straight out of Restream, to see if that is the problem that I'm encountering. But anyway, so yeah, it's all fun, and we'll see how this goes. But we'll figure something else out. I have a backup plan as well. I have what they call OBS, which is a streaming app, which I could theoretically, it's not theoretically, I've done it before, which is I could screen grab, I could basically screen grab the window of Zoom and rebroadcast that directly to your Facebook account as well, if this Restream method doesn't work. And that allows me to encode on the fly, and it gives me a lot more control. This one is just more centralized and anybody can administer it, whereas the OBS is a little bit more complicated, and it makes the computer work kind of hard. So this is all kind of automated. So anyway, so I'll try this method and see how it works, and I'll send you an email when I've got it up and running.
Okay.
So yeah, so anyway, yeah, good meeting you guys, and we'll get this sorted out, and I'll let you know pretty soon. And I'm gonna stop this webinar. I'll always, if I need to create another one, I'll invite you, and just in case you need to be on there, we can try it again. So, all right.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem. Have a good evening if I don't talk to you between now and then.
All right.
So,
Sounds good. We'll
All right.
keep in touch.
all right, bye.
All right. Bye-bye.